What if you could create a sweet, realistic girl's voice? No acting, no equipment, no recording? Here's the original voice.
I can actually hear now. Every sound feels brand new.
And here's the final girl voice.
I can actually hear now. Every sound feels brand new.
Welcome to the official FineVoice channel. That voice you just heard? Yep, it was completely made with FineVoice AI voice changer. It's a powerful yet super easy to use tool that lets you transform your voice into any style you want. Unique, expressive, and ready in just a few clicks. And you can even customize your own voice. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create your perfect girl voice with FineVoice. Let's dive in. How to create a custom voice. Step 1 is super simple. Just sign up for a free FineVoice account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you're ready to start creating. Step 2. You can use FineVoice's instant voice clone feature to quickly create your own custom voice. Just upload or record your voice and you're ready to go. Your personalized AI voice will be ready in just a few seconds. How to use an AI girl voice changer? Step 1. Head over to the AI voice changer. Upload your existing audio or record your voice directly within FineVoice. The process is quick and beginner-friendly, allowing you to get started in seconds without any special equipment. Step 2. Choose a cute or playful girl voice style. Here you can either select from FineVoice's commercial voice library or use your own custom cloned voice created with Instant Voice Clone. I'll show you one of the commercial voices in action. Then fine-tune the sound by adjusting the pitch, tone, and speed to achieve the perfect balance of softness and energy. You can manually adjust these settings or allow FineVoice to optimize them automatically, ensuring the most natural and pleasant result. When it comes to transforming your voice, FineVoice offers two powerful modes, allowing you to control how dramatic the change will be. First, there's the FineVoice OVC mode. This mode focuses on natural enhancement. It preserves your original pacing and emotion while improving overall sound quality. If you want your voice to sound cleaner, smoother, and more professional, the OVC mode is the perfect choice. Then there's the FineVoice OVC Max mode. This advanced mode is designed for stronger transformation. It delivers faster processing and more precise control over the voice's timbre, making it ideal for creating a completely new vocal identity, such as a sweet and charming girl voice. In short, OVC mode for natural enhancement, OVC Max mode for bold transformation. Step 3. Click Generate and let FineVoice work its magic. Within just a few moments, your transformed voice will be ready. You can preview the result and download the final audio in either MP3 or WAV format for immediate use. And if it's not exactly what you're after, simply adjust the settings and generate again until it's spot on. I've also got a few FineVoice commercial voices ready. Let's check them out.
Once upon a time, in a cute little village, there lived a girl named Elia. Every night, Elia would sit by her window.
I never truly believed in fate until you found your way.
Why it matters? Once your voice is just right, you'll see why FineVoice AI voice changer is such a game changer. It sounds realistic, expressive, and you have full control over every little detail. Your perfect girl voice isn't just sweet, it's soft, expressive, and instantly captivating, making even the simplest content engaging and memorable. How you can use it? Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, gaming, podcasts, audiobooks, or online courses. What to do next? Ready to create your own perfect girl voice? Hit the link in the description and start using FineVoice. Unleash your creativity, captivate your audience, and make the perfect voice for any moment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI voice tips and content creation hacks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.